DespPy is installed, or could have done this one first, but now if you've just installed PyCharm and you haven't used it yet, when you first run it, you should get a screen that looks something like this. Um, and we're going to want to get the project from VCS, but we're going to cover that later because first, the most important thing is to link it to a Python interpreter. Um, Now, it seems that in most of the cases when you install it, it doesn't come with an interpreter. So you do what I just did here is you go to PyCharm settings, and on Windows it should be very similar. And then you go to Python interpreter. And so as we can see, there are no, it doesn't have one. And so, but you know it's there. So just PyCharm hasn't quite found it yet. So we want to click on Add Local Interpreter. And PyCharm always wants to kind of push you towards a new virtual environment, but I found it tends to work a little better with just a system interpreter. Um, so, and as you can see, there are a couple of options here. I think these are all pretty much the same, but you choose one and we'll see whether it's the right one. And I can see that this was the right one because DespPy is listed as the package. What that means is that this is the Python you're pointing to is the one that the DespPy package was actually installed with. If DespPy doesn't come up and you have installed it, what that probably means is that you installed it to a different Python than this, because you can there are typically multiple Pythons going on. But this is the one you want. And so if that comes up, then you are in business.